I went to a lot of places, something like Hoi Ha. In these years, I saw that corals are already bleaching faster than before. I'm thinking if I join this program, I can use the AI to try to slow down the extinction.
透過呢個計劃咧，我就可以了解下人類點樣對大自然造成啲咩破壞，
知道更多點樣保育而家嘅大自然啦，尤其是而家就係絕種嘅珊瑚。
我就想為珊瑚出一分力，所以就參加咗呢個珊瑚保育計劃。
MakerBay has developed this project in partnership with Ocean Park Conservation Alliance. With this program, Ocean Parks aims at teaching Hong Kong secondary school students about biodiversity and encouraging them to participate in the conservation of local species.
One of the most unique aspects about the Coral Conservation Project is that it exemplifies how you can use technology, in this case AI, for coral conservation.
This program is about developing an artificial intelligence to identify coral reef, and in the process also to teach young people about conservation using technology.
The first phase is where we educate the participants about coral reefs. The second phase is actually a technology immersion where we teach them about AI and how they can use AI to define their own conservation projects. And the third part is where we combine the two. We actually take the participants out there in the ocean so that they can observe the coral reefs and see how the images that they label can be used in the AI program for conservation.
It's exciting for the kids to think, oh, I could learn something that I have to learn, AI, for something I care about, which is conservation. So putting these two things together, the heart and also the reason, the things that you need to do and the things you want to do. We train them to do, the most basic things. We teach them what kind of image you would like to connect, how do you manipulate those images and clean them, how do you select them, how do you then create bounding boxes, label them, then you export it to prepare it for the AI, and then how do you train the AI.
AI, everyone can use it. It is like a child. It can learn different things through examples and photos.
You don't need much knowledge to apply AI in daily life. For example, in our coral protection scheme, you can help us to collect data by taking pictures, and then you can help the AI to train.
我哋影咗好多唔同企鵝嘅相啦，咁就啲相係用嚟可以訓練我哋嘅 AI 人工智能啦。咁啲人工智能咧就可以用嚟識別唔同嘅企鵝嘅品種。
用咗 AI 智能去識別各種唔同嘅動物，令到我哋可以知道點樣運用 AI。
作為地球一份子啦，我係有呢個責任去保護呢個珊瑚。
知道更多咩係珊瑚啦，有效咁樣去保護呢個環境。
我哋想將一啲新嘅科技，例如人工智能咁啦，帶到去俾學生啦，佢哋可以用呢啲科技咧，為呢個保育咧去出一分力嘅。
我哋希望大家可以喺保育珊瑚呢個工作入面咧，參與到公民科學呢個部分啦，去為我哋嘅珊瑚做一啲 labeling 嘅工作，為保育珊瑚出一分力。
We know that conservation is the future, is necessary. Without conservation, we won't be able to live on this planet. And then we also know that AI is a way to scale our efforts. So for us, working with young people, training them, teaching them the new technology to scale the effort to conservation, we see this is the future.